Yes, a very good morning to all of you. Uh, our syllabus is completed now. We will start revising all the chapters one by one. First of all, today we are going to do chapter number 6. What is name of the chapter number 6? Is animals, habitat and adaptations. Yes, you will write practice work over here. In the notebook, you will note what we are going to write. आप थोड़ा revision during the revision at least hint आप लिखोगे. Clear? And you will answer the question sidewise so that I come to know what is not clear to you. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of this word. What do you mean by habitat? What is habitat? Very good. Yes, Argun. Not only animals, plants also. Yes, Jessica. Yes, a place where we live. It's a living place. Living place of organisms. When we use this word organisms, it means plants as well as animals. Look here on the board. When we have written organisms means plants and animals. And habitat is the surrounding or the place where we live. And adaptations, what do you mean by the term adaptation? Adaptations, you can tell me in your own words. Not it was written in the book. Yes, Shivam. What do you mean by adaptations? कौन से एनिमल को आप अडेप्ट करती हो? प्रॉब्लम में होता है. Yes, sit down. Rajbi, what do you mean by adaptations? You have to answer जो भी आपको समझ लगा हो. What do you mean? Like शिवम ने बोला at least. पुष्पिंदर. Yes, good. Features की बात है ये. Clear? Yes. आप वंशिका. We can say some special features or behavior we change in order to survive successfully in the habitat. We bring changes and these are there, they take a long time. It's not there कि in one day we can adapt. एक दिन में adaptations नहीं आती. जो permanent adaptations होती हैं, they take thousands of years. Okay, they take many years to come. So properly, who will define this? Yes. Yes. Any change in the body of an organism or in the behavior of an organism, okay, which help it to live successfully in the surrounding. Can you give an example? Like fish is well adapted to live in water. What is a special feature which help it to live successfully in water? Gills. It uses gills in order to breathe. It can use oxygen dissolved in water. It can breathe by using the air dissolved in water. Can we do that? No, because we don't have to live in water, no need of gills. And what about the shape of fish? Streamline or boat shaped. Okay, boat shape is there. Shape is like a boat, so that it can cut the water currents easily. It helps to swim in the water easily. Another special feature of fish, it has waxy coating here, so that it does not rot in water. Scales are there, slippery scales are there, which help in easy movement. Easily वो पानी में move कर पाती है. So there are so many special features. Tail fin is there to change direction in water. Okay, so special features which help us. This is the ability to change. Adaptation is the ability to change. Okay, change कहाँ पे होगी? In the, or it may be in the shape of the body, it may be in the organs, or it may be in the behavior of an organism, which help to live successfully in the surrounding. Which help to live successfully in the surrounding. So it is the tendency of an organism to develop certain features which improve the chances of survival. Which helps to improve the chances of survival. Otherwise, if some organism जो adapt नहीं कर पाते, उनकी जो आगे वाले टाइम, आने वाले टाइम में उनकी जो जनरेशन से आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाते वो स्पीसीज क्या हो जाती हैं? They cannot exist. खत्म हो जाती हैं. Here, yes, Shivansh, you want to say something? Better write in the chat box. Turn the mic off. Yes. So once more, what do you mean by adaptation? Tendency or ability. Tendency or ability. किस चीज की tendency? To bring certain, to develop certain features. Develop or to develop certain features. How does this help? It will help to survive. It will help the organism to survive. It will help it to survive. कहाँ पे survive करना? In a particular surrounding. Okay, so adaptation is a tendency which help the organisms to develop certain features. These features will help the organisms to survive in a particular surrounding. Like camel is well adapted to live in desert. Okay, and many animals are there which cannot have certain adaptations. So क्या करते हैं? During the daytime, they go deep in the sand, in the layers which are deep. Okay, तो वहाँ पे ठंडा होता है soil, इतनी गर्मी नहीं होती because it's very hot during the daytime. Daytime बहुत hot होता है desert में, तो उस time पे जो desert animals है, lizards etc. they go deep into the soil. वहाँ पे जो sand होती है it is cooler than the upper layers. So when they will come out? At night. They are nocturnal. रात को active रहती है because nights are cooler in the desert as compared to the day. So जहाँ तो अपने behavior में change करते हैं, अपने features में change करते हैं, so that they live successfully in the environment. So now ये 3 words आपने माइंड में रखनी है and you have to define it. So definitions: tendency of an organism to develop certain features in order to survive in a particular surrounding. In order to survive in a particular surrounding. Yes, Rajbir, now stand up. What do you mean by definitions? Of develop certain features. Tendency to develop certain features, tendency to bring about certain changes, okay, in the features which help to survive in the particular surrounding. Yes, beta, you have to write. Okay, write down, note down practice work, then note down in the notebook also. Then you will come to know what are the key words which we have revised. Now there are different habitats. Okay, first of all, we have done the forest. Okay, different types of habitats are there. Examples of soils. These are not habitats. Habitat. So different types of habitat: forest, desert, and then we have done polar regions and mountains. Forest, desert, polar region and mountains, they are terrestrial habitats. Okay. Land habitats and 2 aquatic habitats are also discussed. They are freshwater, like lake, pond, rivers, and एक और हम लिखिए marine or sea. Okay, we can say seas and ocean. Marine habitat, that is sea and ocean. Here water is salty. Okay, the fish which live in sea water, they are adapted to live in the water with high concentrations of salt. Okay, they are well adapted to live over there. So freshwater fish will not survive in the sea water. They are adapted to live in the fresh water. Clear? Now in the forest, forests are thickly populated with trees. Okay, when trees are there, grass is there, then a lot of vegetation is there. If plants are there, so there will be herbivores. When herbivores are there, so there will be carnivores also. Okay, and some small insects will survive in the decaying leaves which fall from the trees. तो पत्तियां गिरती हैं नीचे, ओके, डिके हो रही हैं, तो some bacteria, then fungi, then small insects, they may be over there. So forests are full of life. There are plants, there are animals also. Can you name a few animals which live on trees? Sun, monkeys, squirrels, chimpanzee. Yes, Puneet. Name some animals live on the floor of the forest. Yes, Girisha, good answers, beta. Keep on writing. Jeep. Ants live in the, yes, moles, bugs, beetles, mice. Okay, they live in the forest floor. Yes. Birds, when we say animals, we can say. Yes, Then after that, some of the animals live in the caves also, in the forest. For example, tiger, bat, bear. Lion, tiger, bat, and bear. And desert animals. Yes, ऑनलाइन से पूछते हैं. Yes, बच्चे. Alicia, better turn the mic on. Alicia, are you there? Yes, Vanshika, you have raised hand. What do you want to say?
ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, camel.
Name a few desert animals. One is camel. The next one.
Small insects like
Beta,
uh,
Dirisha, beta, your mic is on. Speak out.
camel.
Yes.
Some small insects like squirrel,
Yes, बच्चे.
rattlesnake,
Very good.
rattlesnake.
Rattlesnake.
And
Birds.
birds, insects.
Yes. Good. Now turn the mic off. So there are birds, there are camels, there are some insects, okay, and there are rattlesnakes also. Yes. Scorpion, yes, वो insects में आ जाते हैं. Okay, scorpions are there, good. So they all are active at night. Okay, most of them, not camels. So they are active at during the daytime also. But snakes and insects, they are active at night. What do they do during daytime? They go in the deeper layers of the soil in order to protect themselves from the scorching heat of the sun. SCORCHING. Hibernation. That is different. Okay, then polar regions. Name a few animals which live in polar regions. Yes, just breathe. Yes, bear. Bear. Yes, polar bear. Then, yes, Pushpinder. Penguins. Yes. How do they protect themselves? They have yes. Not like this. No, no. Yes, me. Okay, under the skin they have thick layer of fat, and on the skin they have fur. Okay, and these are the main two adaptations which help them to survive during the severe winters, because most of the time there will be snowfall. Then seas and oceans. Name a few animals which live in seas and oceans. Octopus, shark, whale, dolphins, okay, squids, they live in the seas and oceans. इनमें से कुछ हैं जो फ्रेश वाटर में भी रह लेते हैं. Okay. Frog can live in water as well as on land. Now fresh water. Yes. Fresh water में frogs, salamanders and a few species of fish. See? Dolphin can live both ways. A few species are there which live. Yes. Then what do you mean by amphibians? Animals which can live both. Yes. What does the frog use? Uses which organ it uses to breathe on land? In water? Yes. In water? Okay, now we will see the different adaptations of these animals. Yes. Turtle and एक तो शेल की ऊपर फॉर्मेशन जो एक तो उसकी टर्टल की थोड़ी सी फ्लैट होती है, वो डोम शेप होती है, थोड़ा साइज का डिफरेंस होता है. टर्टल्स मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे लिव इन वाटर. Maybe a few on the few parts of the body, not fully. Yes, now we will see the different adaptations of animals, like their body covering. Okay, different adaptations we will do. Yes. Yes, adaptations in animals. On land, both are slow. Adaptations in animals. So adaptations, सबसे पहले there will be the change in their body coverings. Okay, body covering of all the organisms is not same. Okay, it depends in which habitat they are living. For example, some of the animals, first of all, we will say about the body covering. Body coverings are also according to the habitat. For example, a few animals are delicate. Okay, their bodies are delicate. So one adaptation is there. Their body it is covered by a hard shell. Okay, they protect themselves from the other animals. They protect themselves inside the hard shell when they find some danger. In order to protect themselves, they put their body in the hard shell. In the hard shell. Clear? For example, okay. Shell is not the organ which help it to move. Shell को तो even उसको drag करना पड़ता है, but it is just to protect it. And one more definition is there, that is molting. Molting means shedding the skin periodically. Okay, shedding. Some animals they shed the skin periodically in order to yes. Cockroaches maybe ये होती है, in a few more insects also. Yes. Then come the shells. Then comes the scales. Scales are there in case of reptiles. Body of the reptiles is covered by the scales. Okay. Scales are flexible, overlapping, and they may be having some moisture, so they may be there. Like crocodiles, lizards, snakes, इन सबके scales होते हैं. अगर आप इनकी स्किन को ध्यान से देखो, जब मैंने आपको वीडियो दिखाई थी इस चैप्टर की, तो मैंने एक आपको जूम करके दिखाई थी स्किन. उसमें आप देख सकते हो कि there are scales on the body of lizards, snakes. और मैंने आपको molting का भी दिखाया था. How does it take place? Then after that, scales help to prevent the water loss also. Thorny scales help to prevent the water loss, and they help in the movement also. ड्राई होते हैं, हार्ड होते हैं, as compared to जैसे हमारी delicate skin है, they help in the movement also. Then comes the feathers. Feathers are there in case of birds. Okay, birds, body of birds is covered with feathers. Feathers help them to fly as well as they protect them from the cold, rain. Wings जो large size के होते हैं, they have to fly. Feathers जो small body इनके नीचे होते हैं, just above the skin. So they smaller in size and help to protect them from cold. So feathers, they cover the body, they protect them from cold, rain, and they help them to fly. Clear? Then fur and wool. Some of the animals, their body is covered with fur or wool. Fur is present in case of bear, sheep, goat. Okay, we remove this fur and we use it to make the woolens. Here, so fur protects them from severe cold. Where there is extreme cold conditions, there are extreme cold conditions, then the body is covered with the fur. Then next, breathing organs and eating habits we will continue. We will finish it tomorrow, and after that we will do the chapter number 5.